Compound bows are modern marvels of archery technology, employing a system of pulleys and cables to generate increased arrow speed and force. These bows feature cams and a dual cam system, optimizing power and accuracy while reducing the holding weight at full draw. Offering customizable draw lengths and let-off settings, they provide precision and consistency for hunting or target shooting. Compound bows stand as versatile tools, combining power, speed, and accuracy for archers of all skill levels. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 10. Bear Archery Royale RTH Bow. Represents a pinnacle of precision engineering and innovation, tailored for both novice and seasoned archers. With its sleek design and remarkable versatility, this bow effortlessly combines power and accuracy, offering an exceptional shooting experience. Boasting a forgiving brace height and an adjustable draw length, it ensures a comfortable fit and smooth draw cycle, making it ideal for various shooting styles. Complete with a ready-to-hunt package including a sight, arrow rest, stabilizer, quiver, and peep sight. The Royale RTH bow simplifies setup and allows for immediate use straight out of the box. Its durable construction and consistent performance make it a go-to choice for those seeking reliability and performance in their archery endeavors, reaffirming Bear Archery's commitment to crafting top-tier equipment for enthusiasts of all levels. Number 9. PSE Omen Compound Bow stands as a testament to cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance in the realm of archery. Renowned for its lightning-fast speeds and precision accuracy, this bow integrates advanced engineering to deliver an exceptional shooting experience. With an incredibly smooth draw cycle and a rock-solid back wall, it offers stability and control for archers aiming to excel in their pursuits. Its compact design and adjustable settings cater to individual preferences, while its sturdy construction ensures durability and reliability. The Omen's ability to generate incredible arrow speeds, coupled with its customizable features, underscores its status as a top-tier choice for archers seeking superior performance, firmly establishing PSE's legacy of crafting high-performance bows at the forefront of the industry. Number 8. Bowtech Solution Super Smooth is an epitome of precision engineering and user-friendly design, revolutionizing the archery experience. Unmatched in its category, this bow seamlessly combines power with unparalleled smoothness, ensuring an incredibly gentle draw and release. Its advanced cam system and enhanced limb design deliver exceptional efficiency and accuracy, making it a standout choice for archers seeking consistent performance. The compact and lightweight frame, coupled with an adjustable grip and customizable settings, guarantees a comfortable and personalized shooting experience. Whether on the range or in the field, the Solution SS stands as a testament to Bowtech's commitment to innovation, catering to archers of all levels with its exceptional smoothness, remarkable accuracy, and user-centric design. Number 7. Hoyt Altus represents the pinnacle of precision engineering and technological innovation, setting a new standard in the world of archery. Meticulously crafted with a focus on performance and versatility, this bow showcases an exceptional blend of speed, stability, and accuracy. Its advanced design features an ultra-stiff riser and an innovative limb system, delivering an unmatched shooting experience. The Altus's sleek profile and modular grip options ensure a personalized fit for archers, while the smooth draw cycle and rock-solid back wall enhance shooting comfort and control. Whether for competitive target shooting or challenging hunting pursuits, the Altus stands as a testament to Hoyt's dedication to pushing the boundaries of bow technology, offering archers a top-tier tool to achieve their highest level of performance and precision. Number 6. Mathews Atlas exemplifies a pinnacle of innovation and reliability, catering to archers seeking top-tier performance in a versatile package. Crafted with precision and cutting-edge technology, the Atlas boasts exceptional power and accuracy, delivering consistent and smooth shooting experiences. Its state-of-the-art AVS dampening system minimizes noise and vibration, enhancing the overall shooting experience. The bow's adjustable draw length and let-off options ensure a personalized fit, while the sturdy construction and compact design make it suitable for various shooting scenarios. Number 5. Bowtech Realm X Hunting Bow. Epitomizes precision engineering and versatility, redefining hunting experiences with its cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance. Boasting an extended axle-to-axle length, this bow provides remarkable stability and forgiveness, crucial for accurate shots in hunting scenarios. Its overdrive binary cam system and CP dual lock pocket system contribute to consistent accuracy and efficiency, while the modular grip system ensures a comfortable and customizable fit for archers. The Realm X's smooth draw cycle and solid back wall offer enhanced control and confidence in every shot, making it a preferred choice among hunting enthusiasts. As an embodiment of Bowtech's dedication to innovation, the Realm X stands tall as a superior hunting bow, blending power, precision, and adaptability to meet the demands of the most discerning hunters. Number 4. Bear Archery Cruzer G3 Compound Bow stands out as a versatile and user-friendly bow, designed to cater to a wide range of archers, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. Its adaptable draw length and draw weight, easily adjustable without the need for a bow press, make it a perfect fit for growing archers or those seeking a customizable shooting experience. With a compact and lightweight design, this bow offers maneuverability in various hunting or target shooting settings. The Cruzer G3's smooth draw cycle and forgiving brace height provide a comfortable shooting experience, while its solid build ensures durability and reliability in the field. As an embodiment of Bear Archery's commitment to quality and accessibility, the Cruzer G3 Compound Bow stands as an ideal choice for individuals seeking an adaptable and reliable bow for their archery pursuits. Number 3. Bowtech Eva Shocki Gen 2 represents a fusion of elegance and high-performance engineering, tailored specifically for female archers. Built on the successful platform of its predecessor, this bow integrates an adjustable draw length and draw weight, catering to a wide spectrum of archers, allowing for a customized shooting experience. Its lightweight and compact design offer exceptional maneuverability, ideal for various hunting or target shooting scenarios. The Eva Shocki Gen 2's refined aesthetics, coupled with its smooth draw cycle and solid back wall, provide comfort and control in every shot. As a testament to Bowtech's commitment to female archers, this bow not only exudes style but also delivers superior performance, empowering women to excel in their archery endeavors with precision, reliability, and confidence. Number 2. Mathews Halen 32 Compound Bow embodies a pinnacle of precision engineering and performance in the archery world. Renowned for its unmatched accuracy and power, this bow features an extended axle-to-axle length, providing exceptional stability crucial for precise aiming. Its revolutionary cross-centric cam system ensures consistent and efficient power delivery throughout the draw cycle, resulting in unparalleled speed and reliability. The Halen 32's sturdy yet lightweight construction, coupled with its customizable draw length and let-off options, offers a tailored fit for archers of varying preferences and shooting styles. Whether for competitive shooting or demanding hunting expeditions, the Halen 32 stands as a testament to Mathews' relentless pursuit of excellence, providing archers with a superior bow that delivers unwavering accuracy, power, and performance. Number 1. Mathews Prima represents an evolution in women's archery, blending cutting-edge technology with tailored design for unparalleled performance. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, this bow offers female archers a perfect harmony of power, comfort, and accuracy. Its compact frame and lightweight build ensure maneuverability without compromising on stability, while the cross-centric cam system delivers exceptional speed and consistent power through the entire draw cycle. The Prima's customizable options, including draw length and weight adjustments, cater specifically to the ergonomic needs of female archers, providing a comfortable and personalized shooting experience. With its sleek design and superior performance, the Mathews Prima stands as a testament to Mathews' commitment to empowering women in archery, offering a high-performance bow that embodies innovation and excellence.